Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming the LoveGoodley box. I believe this is the June-July box. And at this point, I think I will have my last little collection of thoughts on moving, my moving part 2 video up, but I will not have a house tour up. Didn't get a chance to film an empty house tour, so you're going to see it in whatever state it is in when I get around to filming it. So at this point we are mostly unpacked, though not entirely organized, and in the process of realizing, oh, in this space we need this type of furniture, that type of furniture, so selling things and buying new things. So trying to figure that all out right now. But my camera cut off in the middle of a sentence, but I'm pretty sure I was just saying let's go ahead and get started on unboxing the LoveGoodley box. So let's get started. And also, my air conditioner just turned on, so if you hear some noise in the background, that's what that is. Sorry, it's like 80 degrees out. The air has to be on. So let's go ahead and get started. So LoveGoodley is a bi-monthly box where the products are like non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, probably another long list of various things, and usually the box focuses on one brand specific line every box. So typically all the products featured will be probably from the same brand. So this month it looks like we are highlighting Delia Organics, which is a top Canadian indie skincare brand featuring the cleanest, effective ingredients, a female founder, and it's vegan, cruelty-free, and they support local charities. So that's pretty awesome. I have the box here, all the ingredients or the products listed, and then I do the VIP box, which means I have an extra card telling us about the extra product that is going to be in my box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab whatever is on top. It's really nicely packaged. I don't always share this part, but this particular one comes really tightly packaged in there, so nothing is moving around, which is really nice. Okay, so this first product here, let me look at my cards. I think this might be the VIP product. It's really nicely wrapped in some bubble wrap. And it's pink, which is fun. Can't get it out, it's really in there. Okay. This is the Face Teeny from Delia Organics. And this is the VIP product. There we go. So, the Delia Organics Face Teeny Mask with papaya and pomegranate fruit extract is a $32.99 value, which is a really good price. A foodie drink for your skin loaded with fruit acids, this mask will give you the hydration you deserve and also provide a gentle yet powerful exfoliation. Okay, the write-up on these is huge, so I'm just going to stop there, but I am pretty excited to try a face mask. I'll have to read the ingredients. It is heavily fragranced, so I feel like there's going to be a lot of fragrant ingredients in here, but yeah, there's like orange blossom water, making me a little nervous with these ingredients. Papaya, pomegranate, so the papaya and the pomegranate are extracts, which is nice. I will say though, midway through the list is alcohol, just straight alcohol. I do not put alcohol on my skin, so this unfortunately is something I'm gonna end up giving away, even though it's a $33 value. Kind of sucks. I don't like when just straight alcohol is put in stuff. I'm not sure why that happens, and also my skin doesn't tend to like orange, so the orange blossom stuff. Not really jazzed about that, and I'm really sad because look how cute this is. So pink. But yeah, I just don't know if my face is going to respond to that very well. So unfortunately, the VIP extra product is going to be going to a new home. Okay, the next product to come out of the box are the Dew Drops Serum. So it's in this clear package, and it's got a pump underneath the lid. So here is that. And let me read to you a little bit about it. This is a $34.80 value, so nearly $35. So that's, I mean, the products are priced really high, so you're definitely getting a value in the box. And it says, one of our most popular VIP items, so we wanted to share it with all and stock our VIPs back up. Oh, so they must have sent this out to a VIP box in the past, is what I'm getting from that. This lightweight balancing oil delivers essential hydration, fatty acids, polyphenols, and antioxidants to the skin, which result in a healthy looking complexion. So yeah, interesting. Let's look at the ingredients on this. So apricot kernel oil, that's good. Jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, rosemary extract, so I guess extract not as bad as oil, bergamot essential oil, lavender essential oil. So another item I'm just not putting on my face at all, because the entire, like, halfway down of the ingredients list is all essential oils, and I don't put them on my face. This is a product though that I would probably feel comfortable using on my body, so we'll see about that. Next in the box, what do we have here? Another bottle of something, and this is a mister top. So this is the facial spritzer. Here's what that looks like. So the facial spritzer with clary sage and niacinamide is a $20.99 value. Once again, great value on this. Spritz your skin for hydration throughout the day. Infused with vitamin B3, you will notice a change in skin tone, texture, and hydration with continued use. So let's look at this ingredient list, because so far Delia Organics is not impressing me with their huge amount of fragrant ingredients in every product. So purified water, lavender floral water, so right out the gate we're having a fragrant ingredient, tea tree floral water, sage floral water, alcohol-free witch hazel, so at least it's alcohol-free, niacinamide, aloe vera. So the rest of the ingredients aren't terrible. I don't love that the lavender flower oil is the second ingredient. It's a little concerning. I'm gonna mist it and see how fragrant it is. Oh yeah, the fragrance is really strong with this. So, I mean, I'd probably spray it on my body, but I don't think I'm gonna put this on my face. So, another miss. So far we're 3 for 3. All misses in my book. I know some of you don't care so much about fragrant ingredients or alcohol or things like that. I am particularly careful about those things because I spend so much money on skincare for myself to begin with that is free of all those types of things, that I don't want to take things that I get in these boxes, which I enjoy getting the boxes, but that have those bad ingredients, and put them on my face. So a little annoying so far. Not loving this box. Let's see. I think I'm missing 2 items. Oh, they're both packed in the same thing. I thought this was one. Okay, let me open up this bubble wrap, and we have 2 items in here. So we'll talk about this one first. This is the Pout Lip Cream. So that's kind of fun, a lip cream. Definitely something different we don't always get. You know, if my camera would focus. Maybe? Maybe not? Come on, there we go. There's the product. So the lip cream is also a $20.99 value, and now it's not focusing on me. Come on. So once again, a fantastic value. Every product in this box is a fantastic value. So a clean blend of butters for hydrating and softening benefit to your lips with a touch of peppermint for a instant cooling effect. This whipped lip cream will naturally provide nourishment to your palate with a soft texture that melts once it hits your lips. All day smooth everywhere you go. Due to the natural properties of the oils in this product, the consistency will change with temperature. So let's look. Almond butter, shea butter, coconut oil, and peppermint essential oil. So I do appreciate how small that ingredient list is. The peppermint is strong. I don't particularly have any sort of sensitizing things that happen to my lips when peppermint oil is on them. Some people really do. But I kind of like the idea of having something meant specifically for the lips with peppermint oil, because I find if I am congested or if I have a headache or something, peppermint oil tends to help alleviate some of the symptoms. It's not a fix-it-all type thing, but it definitely helps, especially putting a little, usually I'll put it on my wrists since I kind of sleep like this to get that scent in my nostrils. But having it on my lips would have it directly under my nose, which is kind of nice. So this might be a nice bedtime lip product for when I'm not feeling so great, honestly. So I'm really interested in it for that particular use, and even during the day when I'm not feeling great, having that peppermint vibe kind of awakening and clearing things. So this I don't hate. I'm kind of really interested in this. So one product so far that I actually will use, the intended use. So, I mean, not a total fail. Let's read the last product. This is Dose of Sea Eye. So I guess this is their eye cream. You know what? Maybe are we gonna give up on this? Yeah, we're gonna give up on trying to make it focus. It's the same label on everyone. So this is $26.99. The perfect balance of moisture, protection, and restorative properties. Use daily under makeup or alone for consistent and effective eye skincare. Collagen stimulators boost the skin's performance, while the cooling gel aids in taking away puffiness and inflammation. Okay, interesting. The ingredient list is very tiny on this one. Let's see, water, aloe, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid. So far so good. We're about halfway down. Reishi. There is some wild geranium extract, not oil, so that's at least good. Dandelion oil, or extract rather. Okay, I don't hate this ingredient list. Sorry if I looked like an old lady staring at this teeny tiny ingredient list for the past few minutes, but I mean, it won't even if the camera focused, it wouldn't show you how tiny that is. But I think I might actually give this a try. I don't hate these ingredients, and I'm very interested in the gel consistency. It's like very much a gel, like how you imagine a gel, like flubber kind of stuff. Okay, so for the VIP box, getting 5 products, there are only 2 that I'm actually interested in trying out in their intended use: the eye gel and the lip cream. So for me, the facial spritzer and the serum both have way too much fragrant ingredient for them to go on my face. So I may end up using these on the body. And the Face Teeny, which is so pink and so cute and just such a fun color, but the fact that it's got alcohol right there in the middle of the ingredient list, just straight alcohol, I don't love. And then towards the bottom, you've got the papaya and the, what was the other one? Pomegranate, even though they're extracts. I also don't love the orange blossom water or oil or whatever, I don't know. So this one, unfortunately, I'm just not that wowed by. I have so many face masks that I just really, and you know what? The more I sniff it, the more I'm just like, I think that would be a scent that would actually start to make me feel sick. So definitely going to give this away to a friend who maybe isn't as conscious about those things, or just doesn't care or isn't affected by them, because you know, everyone's skin reacts differently. And I'm going to keep these 4 probably for body use and then to use actually how they are meant. And I would say this bi-monthly box for LoveGoodley is not my favorite. I mean, obviously I've only gotten one before, but this in particular I didn't really love. I love that they're trying to support a small brand, a Canadian brand, a woman-owned brand, but I think the excessive use of fragrant ingredients in these products is unnecessary and really limits the market and the amount of people this can be marketed to, which kind of hinders the whole making it vegan and cruelty-free argument or reasoning, because what's the point of making it vegan and cruelty free if it's not going to work well on someone's skin? So many people have skin issues, and like, you don't want them to be like, oh, that vegan skincare ruined my face, because I mean, it doesn't help with the movement. But I guess I'm overanalyzing it at this point. It's not my favorite box. I'll use some of the products, but I'm not all that impressed. So that is my assessment of the June-July 2021 LoveGoodley box, which in total was $103 in value. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so happy to finally be filming an actual video in the new house. This is my office. These are tan walls. I don't know if you can really tell on camera. Eventually I want to put like some sort of fun graphic wallpaper back there, but I don't know, we'll see how things shake out. I'm sure it's not going to happen anytime soon. And unless I get another box quickly in the next few days, hopefully the next video after this one will be a house tour. So we'll see. So yeah, like the video, give it a thumbs up, questions and comments down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!